Andrew McCabe was an FBI agent for 22 years, rising to deputy director and then acting director after his boss James Comey was fired by the Trump White House in 2017. But just before he planned to retire on March 18th, McCabe too was dismissed. In a statement released late on Friday night, the Attorney General Jeff Sessions said that according to an internal agency investigation, quote, Mr. McCabe had made an unauthorized disclosure to the news media and lacked candor, including under oath, on multiple occasions. I have terminated the employment of Andrew McCabe effective immediately. Right after this, McCabe told the news media his firing was payback for doing his job. Investigating ties between Russia and Donald Trump's 2016 presidential campaign, as well as overseeing the probe into Hillary Clinton's use of a private email server while she was Secretary of State. Now President Trump has accused McCabe of partisan bias. McCabe's wife, a Democrat, received campaign donations from one of Hillary Clinton's allies. Then McCabe added this, quote, the attack on my credibility is one part of a larger effort not to just slander me personally, but to taint the FBI, law enforcement, and intelligence professionals generally. It is part of this administration's ongoing war on the FBI and the efforts of the special counsel. Analysts say Robert Mueller, who is the special counsel, will want to talk to McCabe now.
McCabe now will be testifying in front of Mueller, and he knows a lot about what happened during the campaign and during the investigation. Mr. McCabe can talk about the fact that when President Trump fired Director Comey, that was an attempt to prevent Comey from actually going ahead with the investigation, and that could be considered obstruction of justice.
Being fired means Andrew McCabe might lose his retirement and health care benefits. But McCabe might also have much more to gain by telling Robert Mueller everything he knows about any Russian links to the Trump presidential campaign. And that could mean the Trump administration might now have a much bigger problem on its hands. Rosiland Jordan, Al Jazeera, Washington.